Black Friday was an absolute doozy in the stock market. There's a new COVID-19 variant that absolutely spooked the market. The Dow dropped 1,000 points. The S&P dropped a ton. The NASDAQ dropped as well. It wasn't looking fantastic for the stock markets coming into today. However, the major indices have recovered quite a bit. The S&P is up 1.5%. The Dow is up almost 1%. And the NASDAQ is up 2.3%. so far on the day as of recording this video. Crypto has recovered as well. And speaking of crypto, I want to talk about Coinbase in this video because there still is some upside in this stock. And there are some analysts that think that this stock is undervalued at current values. So stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the TipRanks YouTube channel. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. We're going to talk about Coinbase in this video because there are some analysts that believe that this stock is still undervalued, and we'll dig into the numbers here, both earnings from the last quarter, but also some different numbers that we can measure against their EBITDA and their free cash flow to kind of see why these analysts think that this stock is undervalued at current levels. Let's jump right in. Coinbase Global is an American cryptocurrency exchange platform that operates remotely through its website and mobile application without any physical headquarters. Ticker symbol COIN was founded in 2012, and as of March 2021, it is the largest cryptocurrency exchange platform in the US based on trading volume. Coinbase offers products for both institutional investors as well as retail investors. These products include Coinbase, the app for trading in Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and other currencies, as well as platforms like Coinbase Prime for institutional traders. It also offers services like Coinbase Card, a debit Visa card for customers to spend their cryptocurrency. For the third quarter 2021, the company reported a total trading volume of $327 billion. This was growth of 626% year over year. However, this showed a decrease since the most recent quarter by about 29%. The decline is in line with the decline in the overall crypto market volume. Meanwhile, the total retail contribution toward trading volume was about 28%, with the remaining 72% being institutional. Institutional trading shows a drop of 26% since the previous quarter, with this decline being driven by low volatility. Retail volume also shows a decrease from the last quarter for the same reason. Institutional trading largely takes place using Bitcoin and Ethereum, though other crypto assets represented more than 50% of the total trading volume. However, institutions are starting to diversify into other crypto assets as well. The continued expansion in these assets provides users with greater choices and provides a competitive advantage. Total assets on the platform were valued at $255 billion by the end of the third quarter, showing a 41% increase from the most recent quarter and a 608% increase year over year. The company's net revenue was $1.2 billion in the quarter, of which $1.1 billion was transaction revenue and $145 million was subscription and services revenue. Transaction revenue showed a decrease of 44% sequentially, but showed an upward trend in the later months due to improving market conditions. Let's quickly talk about a couple key valuation metrics. Coinbase's stock looks attractively valued at the moment as its forward enterprise value to EBITDA ratio is currently 20.4x. And its forward price to free cash flow ratio is 26.2x. These ratios are quite low for a company with such a massive growth potential and strength in competitive positioning in its industry. So based on these valuation metrics, what do the analysts have to say about ticker symbol COIN? Well, Coinbase is having a fantastic day today, up 5.5% on the day, but this is still a strong buy based on 16 analyst ratings with an average upside over the next 12 months of 24.16%. However, look at the disparity there in both the low and the high price targets. Take a peek at that. We have a low of 160, but a high of $600. If that Wall Street analyst is correct, that would represent an 87.07% upside for Coinbase over the next 12 months. Coinbase is a key player in a very high growth industry. Crypto is booming. NFTs are booming. The metaverse is going absolutely crazy right now. And people are really, really excited for this space. So it's no wonder that people are also excited for Coinbase as well. And as they differentiate, I can see that they should do well over the next 12 months, even though they've had a fantastic year already. But I also want to hear from you. Please let me know what you think about Coinbase. Do you hold Coinbase in your portfolio? Are you holding for the long term? Please let me know. I would absolutely love to hear from you down in the comments. As always, thank you so much for joining me for another video. If you learned something new or found any value in this video at all, let me know by hitting that like button and that subscribe button down below. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.